Hey savers, in this website walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to generate an account statement online. First, you're going to need to log into your Motivair Comp account. Now, if you have never logged into your account before, you will first need to set up your online account credentials by clicking the Register Now button. Once you're logged in, click Accounts in the menu. Then you'll need to select the account you want to view and click the Go to Account button on the right-hand side of the page. Once you're on the account page, hover over the Overview tab and click Statements and Documents. On the right-hand side of the page, click the Additional Statements Info and Documents button and choose Online Statements from the drop-down menu. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Generate Statement. Next, select the statement period you want to view and click Generate Statement again. That's it. Your statement will automatically open or download and be ready for you to view or save. If you have any other questions, please call your local education professional or call 1-800-392-0925.